Welcome back to HiFi AV Tech, where great sound meets great gear. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting all-in-one music solutions we've seen in years, the brand new EverSolo Play Streaming Amplifier. Whether you're looking to streamline your audio setup, get into high-fidelity streaming, or create a compact yet powerful second-room system, this could be the single box that does it all. Stick around as we break down everything from design to performance, app experience, connectivity, and how it stacks up against the competition. Spoiler alert, this thing is packed with features and might just change the way you build your audio system. Up until now, enjoying the EverSolo ecosystem meant piecing together different components, often starting with a streamer like the DMP A6, A6 Master Edition, or the flagship A8, and pairing that with a DAC like the Z8 or Z6, followed by choosing a third-party amplifier. Sure, they released amps like the AMP F2 and the higher-end AMP F10, but these were either not always the best match or required a big investment. So for most users, building an EverSolo setup meant multiple boxes and some research. But with EverSolo Play, all of that changes. This single device brings together a high-quality music streamer, a capable DAC, a Class D amplifier, and even HDMI ARC and a built-in Phono stage. For the first time, EverSolo fans have a truly plug-and-play solution. No extra components, no cables everywhere, just one sleek box and your favorite pair of speakers. The beauty of the EverSolo Play is that it fits the needs of so many different listeners. If you're new to high-performance audio and just want something easy that sounds amazing, this is it. If you're building out a second system for a bedroom, office, or den, this makes it effortless. Got a turntable? Great, there's a built-in Phono stage. Want to use your TV's audio system but avoid a soundbar? HDMI ARC has you covered. You can even go multi-room with other EverSolo products. With the Play, there's no juggling of separate devices or compatibility concerns. Just connect your speakers, log into your streaming services, and enjoy. From the moment you unbox the EverSolo Play, it feels like a premium product. It carries over the same modern, minimalist aesthetic that EverSolo is known for, but adds some key touches. The brushed aluminum front panel with CNC unibody construction looks and feels high-end. That entire lower chassis acts as a heatsink, ensuring efficient thermal management. But the showstopper is the 5.5-inch color touchscreen, responsive, vibrant, and refined. This version of the UI is improved over previous models, based on user feedback, and divides control into 6 intuitive sections: music services, functions, apps, connect, cloud, and settings. It's one of the most usable interfaces in HiFi today. To the right of the touchscreen, you'll find the volume knob, not just functional, but elegant. It features a customizable LED ring that lets you choose the brightness and color to match your room's mood or your system's aesthetic. It's the kind of small detail that makes a big impression. The unit feels like a centerpiece, rather than just another black box. Everything about the design is intentional, modern, and built to last. A visual statement as much as an audio one. Flip the Play around and you'll find a surprising amount of connectivity. HDMI ARC and EARC allow seamless TV integration. Say goodbye to poor TV speakers and hello to rich room-filling sound. There's a full-featured Phono stage that supports both MM and MC cartridges, meaning even vinyl lovers are in good hands. Coaxial and optical digital inputs support legacy devices like CD players or digital streamers, and there's a subwoofer out with built-in bass management. You can fine-tune crossover points directly from the unit, which is incredibly helpful when dialing in a 2.1 system. There are 2 USB-A ports, one for external storage and one for USB audio output. Got a hard drive full of high-res music? Plug it in. Want to connect an external high-end DAC down the road? You can do that too. Even though the Play has a great DAC inside, EverSolo gives you the flexibility to upgrade without changing your entire system. It's a future-proof design that lets you grow with your gear. Streaming is where the Play shines. It supports Tidal, Kobo's, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Deezer, and more, all integrated directly into the UI or the mobile app. It's also Roon-ready, Spotify Connect, and Bluetooth capable. Whether you're using the touchscreen or controlling everything from your phone, the experience is seamless. Apple Music fans will appreciate the bit-perfect playback, which means you get full fidelity without downsampling or weird workarounds. The heart of the Play is the AKM AK4493 DAC, a chip known for its rich, slightly warm, and detailed sound. It delivers an SNR of 109 decibels and incredibly low distortion at 0.0037%, matching the sonic character of more expensive gear. On the amp side, it's a Class D design delivering 60 balabalas into 8 ohms and 120 watt into 4 ohms, whether you're powering bookshelf or floor. Standing speakers, it offers clean, punchy power without the harshness sometimes associated with Class D. It's efficient, cool running, and expertly tuned for music enjoyment across all genres. No modern music system is complete without a great app, and the EverSolo app is among the best we've tested. It gives you full access to your library, lets you control settings, group devices, adjust volume, and even combine streaming platforms in your searches. You can build cross-platform playlists, say one song from Kobo's, another from Tidal, and a third from Apple Music, all in one list. It's fast, intuitive, and genuinely enhances the way you interact with your music. Room correction is built in and easy to use. Just fire up the app, let it analyze your space using your phone's microphone, and it'll automatically optimize the sound for your room. You can dive deeper with EQ settings if you're a tweaker, but even just using the automatic room correction will give you tighter bass, clearer vocals, and a more balanced presentation in tricky rooms. It's another example of how this unit goes beyond just convenience. It's built for real performance. For those still holding on to their CD collections, EverSolo hasn't forgotten you. The CD edition of the Play includes a high-quality Hitachi LG drive that can rip or directly play discs. It's a thoughtful touch for users who want the simplicity of modern streaming, but also the option to spin physical media now and then. And for collectors with large CD libraries, it's a big value add without cluttering up your system with another box. So who is the EverSolo Play really for? Honestly, almost everyone. It's the ultimate just add speaker solution. For audiophiles who want a second system, beginners looking to enter the high-end world, or vinyl lovers wanting a hybrid analog or digital setup, the Play checks nearly every box. With smart design, powerful internals, and a seamless interface, EverSolo has delivered a product that lives up to its name. If you're ready to simplify your system without sacrificing sound, the EverSolo Play might just be your next upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more hi-fi content, and drop any questions you have about the EverSolo Play in the comments below. Until next time, keep listening and stay tuned to HiFi AV Tech.